Hey guys, welcome back to Exploration Place. My name is Victoria and today we're going to talk about 3D printing. So what exactly is 3D printing? And it's traditionally called additive manufacturing when we look at the aircraft industry and other industries that use it. And they're used for parts all over the world. In fact, there's even an aircraft engine that is partially made of 3D printed parts. But how does our Lulzbot Mini work? Let's take a look. So right now we're printing these mask savers, that are allowing us to help out during the pandemic. And what they do is the mask hooks onto here, but we can 3D print those by looking at our printer. And the extruder head, which is at the very bottom of this centerpiece right here, gets really hot. In fact, right now it's heated to about 210 degrees Celsius. And it lays down thin layers of plastic in lots and lots of layers, hence the additive manufacturing. And in fact can have thousands of layers depending on the print job. And then on the extruder, we have our motor that's in here and taking control of everything. And that plastic runs all the way up. Now we're using PLA or polylite, which is polylactic acid, and that is oftentimes made through corn or other recycled and reusable materials. But what about the programming side? So for ours, we're using an online service called Octoprint, which is what works with the Lulzbot Mini. And it allows us to go through the splicing process, which is the process of taking one large object and slicing it really thinly into all of those layers so that it can be printed. And if you want to design your own 3D printed project, you can go to Tinkercad, which is one of many free services, and you can design your own and then import it into a 3D printer, which allows us to do pretty much anything crazy that you might want to print. So, what do you want to print at home?